Hello and welcome to eLeap. For over 19 years, we have helped our clients ensure that their most expensive investments are delivering sustained results. We do this in three main ways. Our Learning Solutions platform, which features a vast content library, ensures results for our clients in a skills-first economy. Our Validated platform, which features powerful tools, including skills and competency management, on-the-job training, learning paths, event tracking, credentials management, user controls, analytics, and more, powers your comprehensive employee development programs. Our Performance Management platform ensures organizations lead with clarity, alignment, and engagement by leveraging goals and OKRs, performance reviews, surveys, ENPS, pulse point, check-ins, one-on-ones, weekly task management, gamification, user and team management, and more. Our regulatory compliance tools ensure clients in highly regulated industries, including life sciences, manufacturing, aviation, finance, and tech, are able to meet their quality management regulatory obligations, including 21 CFR, 14 CFR, and others. eLeap isn't just software. It is the catalyst that unlocks potential, ignites innovation, and nurtures growth. Get a free session with one of our solutions experts and see case studies of how we help organizations such as yours solve complex talent and compliance challenges.